Okay, no. Chinese.
No, thank you.
How much?
Everybody, we are in Beijing.
Amazing ride. I'm so excited.
Great Wall. Hello everybody, so we're gonna visit the Great Wall. My name is Antonio, please subscribe to the channel. Nothing, I'm gonna show you guys around and then we're going down the slide. I'm gonna show that maybe in this video or in the next video. Now we're gonna take the bus. It's gonna take us to the wall. We have free Wi-Fi at the Great Wall. Cool is that? Hey everybody, we're going up the Great Wall. Open. Go, 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 go.
Hello, so ladies, look at me.
Run, run, run! So guys, we're about to go down this slide of the Great Wall. Whoa!
Say hi.
Woo!
there's a hole in here.
Okay.
And he paints from the outside in.
Oh, so it's like custom made.
Yeah.
What?
That's exactly what I wanted.
That's so nice.
Oh, that's the name. Awesome. Maria.
Oh,
What?
that's interesting.
多少块？
啊，这是有没180 180元
81.
Yeah, 180 How much? How much
No,
is it?
give me the.
You need? I think you can no this. How much? Yeah, how much you say?
No.
You say how much?
No.
Yeah, no this. How much?
No, that's too little. I'll give you.
How much? You lose money.
You lose money?
This is very good quality. 100%
Oh, that's good.
背个来了没？背个来了没
No.
？OK，这个，而且这个地产的嘞，这个地产的怎么说的？
No.
有这个地产，哎也是
No.
dollars
No, yuan.
Chinese.
No. Thank
How
you.
much? How much you say? 背个来了嘛？老师妈的给我。OK。100。
No, 20.
Only 嘛，Only 来了。OK，买不然就是80。OK， 50。
No, 20. We're getting many. We're getting many.
OK 30。OK 25。
No, 20 for everybody. We're getting everybody.
How many are we buying?
25。
20. We're getting.
No, Emilio, Faneva quería.
We're getting like
25.
four.
I think we're getting more.
One for 25. My bad price.
5. We're getting 6.
1, 2.
6.
Ay, no le puedes.
View.
6.
This means 6 in Chinese.
We're saying the wrong number.
This means 6.
Thank you.
Okay.
Next one. That was great actually because we got it for 20, but like, I don't know, she didn't want it to deal at the end.
How much?
20. 20. So we're gonna try to get it for less than 20. We're gonna try to get it for like 18.
Yes, we can do it.
Yes, we can do it.
We can do
You
it.
guys, that's less than $3.
We have to say we
So-
want 5.
so-
we can. But I think we want more than 5 because we want. Do you want one? No.
Yeah,
1,
we
2,
want- we
3,
want-
4. And I want one for my
I'm actually getting like
6.
Okay, let's get like 10. Let's get like 10. And let's try to get it for like
Okay, we need at least 7
150,
though.
150, 180. Let's get it for that, and I'm getting 10. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna actually go there just because there are many stores, and we're gonna see. How we... No, but I have a strategy. Don't worry. No, but la escuela. 85? No, I want 10. 10.
10 piece.
Yes.
10 piece. How much? Two lost money. Indeed, lost money.
You don't lose money.
10 piece 个130.
Give me your best price. Best price.
Bad price. 10 piece.
Best price.
10 piece.
10 piece. Yes.
10
Best
piece
price.
有个咩？10 piece 有个咩这是吧？Good price. OK.
Good price.
Good price.
Come on. Ooh, no.
你瞅瞅，我应该这些个的，10 piece 应该这些个的。I give you this. How much?
No.
How
My
much?
best price. Best price.
啊，no.
You lose money?
No. Two lost money.
Ah.
Indeed lost money.
Okay. 150.
Nah, two lost money. Indeed lost money.
Give me your best price. Best price.
This.
Best.
Best. 30元意识，30元意识
No, that's too much.
30.
Okay.
30.
My last price. Last price.
这是 how much?
180.
Two lost money. 10 piece 呢
No.
Okay, this. Okay, 10 piece. This.
No.
10 piece.
No
10 piece.
final.
10 piece. Okay.
No. Thank
Okay.
you.
10 piece.
谢谢
10 piece. Last. 10 piece. 10 piece. Last. 团体元意思，拉丝。团体元意思，玩玩去不是
No,
团
no,
体元意
this.
思。
For
团体
training.
团体元意思，拉的牌子。
Okay, okay, okay.
190.
This, but you give me
图老师妈的，no no 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 no，就这个就这个，10 piece，10 piece，这是
11.
no no no
Eleven.
no no
$11.
no no，就这个，是10 piece 就这个，团体元意思，拉丝。
Thank you.
OK OK OK，这是10 piece，OK，这是 OK，190，190，10 piece，OK，10 more，OK，10 more，OK，190。
Okay.
Okay, 190. Okay.
So we got it for 19 yuan each. We got 10 pieces. So which sizes? Let's go.
What?
Yeah, okay. Give me me.
I'll take the one.
1, 2. You see how good he is? He's getting 19.
He's very good.
10块钱都不给。
Yo, Antonio, tell her to throw this in the hat.
Yeah, the hat is gonna.
谢谢。
谢谢。
Are you already done?
19.
90.
19
Yes,
yuan.
I know.
Wow.
Can you believe it? Very good. Okay, let's do this.